equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver and a clean cloth for any dusting. First, unplug your Dyson V11 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the dustbin lid. There are typically 2 screws that secure the lid in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the dustbin lid off the vacuum. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips that may be holding it in place. Take a moment to clean the area around the dustbin with your cloth, as this can help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Now, take your new dustbin lid and align it with the base of the dustbin. Ensure that it fits snugly into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the lid is in position, replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. After securing the lid, give the dustbin a gentle shake to ensure everything is fitted correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or if the lid feels loose, double-check the screws. Now, it's time to clean the internal components of your Dyson V11. Remove the dustbin from the vacuum and empty it into your rubbish bin. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside of the dustbin, ensuring no dust or debris remains. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal suction power. If you find that your vacuum is still not performing as expected, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying issues that may be affecting your Dyson V11. Once you've cleaned the dustbin, reattach it to the vacuum by aligning it with the base and pushing it down until you hear a click. This indicates that it is securely in place. Finally, plug your Dyson V11 back in and give it a test run. Check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything seems to be working well, congratulations! You've successfully changed the dustbin lid. Remember, if you ever need assistance, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And with our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.